Well, hi there. I'm super excited that you found your way here. I have a suspicion the fact that you're here means that you and I might be in similar positions. Just a few short weeks ago, I had my 48th birthday, and a little bit about my story. So I've been a full-time creative entrepreneur for the past 10 to 15 years in various capacities, and I know what it takes to build a creative business. There is a lot of time, a lot of skill development, a lot of things that you have to learn along the way. And it takes time. And in the challenging financial climate we're in, high-end art is not really selling as well as it used to a few months ago. So for us, my husband is a full-time engineer. He's got a wonderful position. But what I started finding really challenging is the fact that he's working his absolute butt off, spending so many hours, and every month our expenses are increasing, the salary is not, and we just saw our savings account dwindling away. So I've been watching a couple of entrepreneurs over the past few months doing this exact business opportunity, and my mind has been blown. So I'm wired as an entrepreneur. I've always been entrepreneurial, always on the lookout for new opportunities. I'm a risk taker. However, I'm also super skeptical. So before I invest in any opportunity, I really make sure I have all my ducks in a row. I check out things. I make sure they line up. You know, it's not just a fly-by-night kind of mentorship or whatever. So the reason I'm super excited about the fact that you are here is this business model teaches you transferable high income skills. So if you've never heard about affiliate marketing, hang tight, you will learn all about it in this 15-day challenge. But the fact that this teaches you high income skills that you can do from the comfort of your own home using just your phone or your laptop and a Wi-Fi is just incredibly exciting. I think one of the reasons that really it just captured me was the way that this program is changing so many lives, and in a short amount of time. I've been following a few mums, and let me tell you something. If there's anyone on the planet who has a valid excuse for not putting the time and the effort into building a business, it's a mom with young kids, okay? They take a lot of time and a lot of effort, and it can be quite a challenging journey. So I've been watching these mums absolutely crushing it, like within a couple of weeks, a couple of months between, I'd say within 6 months, most of them were able to quit their full-time jobs and are making a ton of money online. All right. So I've been sitting on the sidelines, watching them grow in confidence, seeing their numbers scale. I've been stalking this program's Facebook page for a couple of months, listening to their podcast. There's over 800 testimonials of people who've gone through this program and radically changed their financial situations. So I started just a few short weeks ago. I've set up all my funnels. I've been building my business, getting my branding sorted out, and I'm so excited for you and for me both, because I know that this is the thing that can change our financial futures absolutely radically and leave the legacy that you're wired for, have the impact that you're wired for. So with that said, I do want to encourage you to be an action taker. If we don't take the actions and we don't physically build this business, nothing will change. It's going to take some time. It's going to take intention. It's a simple system, but it's not always an easy system. So what I mean by that is that you'll have to take action, you'll have to learn, you'll have to grow. But isn't that the most exciting thing about it? Because you personally will never be the same again. And I think what excites me most about this is the legacy factor. The fact that you will be able to teach these transferable skills to other people, to share this opportunity, to grow your own influence, your own impact, and really do the thing that you love most. So I hope you'll follow me online at Thrive with Nanette. And I'm just excited for you to be here. So my friend, have fun, go through this challenge and implement as you go. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'm your biggest cheerleader. I'm rooting for you. I know you can do this. And so let's do this together.